Before we get to the charts on Cardano, let's go over this article from Crypto, if I'm pronouncing that right. Cardano at $5. Analysts set huge ADA price expectations. Wow, for this year. So, prevalent blockchain platform Cardano has generated a lot of curiosity as analysts have high hopes for its price performance by the end of 2023. Experts forecast significant milestones and tremendous upside potential for ADA, citing the platform's solid foundation and expanding ecosystem. Sebastian Purcell, CEO of 1.2 Capital Management, predicts that Cardano's price will rise since the recent drop in ADA price caused by SEC-related worries have abated, and it is likely that concerned investors have liquidated their holdings. So what he's getting at is that there are no more sellers. So there's just buyers now at this point. And we'll see that in the charts that that is not true. Analysts predict that the Ripple's case verdict will substantially impact the price of ADA, so he says to watch the Ripple case carefully. Now, he's not the only one that thinks that pricing go higher from here. Other analysts have different estimates ranging from $5 to $10, demonstrating the consensus among analysts that ADA will rise. These predictions are based on Cardano's growth in terms of user base, interoperability, and functionality. Due to an innovative approach to decentralized finance, Cardano is heralded as a possible game changer in the crypto space. Now, according to the analytics firm Sentiment, the number of active addresses, volume of transactions, social media involvement have increased yearly. This increase in important metrics shows how Cardano ecosystem is generating more interest and engagement. However, recent market changes have made Cardano's price performance uncertain. According to CoinMarketCap, ADA experienced a significant 20% price decline in the last 7 days alone, as it alarms holders. Now, Sebastian's saying, correct, all the sellers sold. There's no more sellers, only buyers. So prices can rise from current levels. Now let's go to the charts. Now, during the last bull market, price did hit $3. But we're talking another, from here, we're talking about another, say, 60%. I'm not buying it. Maybe over this decade, but I'm not buying $5 by the end of 2023. There's no way that's going to happen. No way. That was like that dude that made that $1 million bet that Bitcoin's going to hit, what, $1 million in 90 days? Come on now. I wish I was on the other side of that bet. Now, if we go to the weekly chart, I've had this weekly buyer's level at 32 cents for the longest of time, and that was based on this leg higher breaking the pivot high to the left. However, this extended range red candle was 2 weeks ago when Gary Gensler came out and said he was suing Coinbase and Binance, and that ADA was a security. All right, so that level did not work out, so I'm going to take that off the charts now. And the question is, how low can we go? All right, now one issue of current price action, if we go to the daily chart, is we can see that as price continued to decline, it has created sell levels. And here's another sell level on the daily chart, which just makes price moving higher a bit more difficult, as now buyers have to battle sellers at least these two levels, 32 cents and 35 cents. So what I would like to see as validation that price is going to go higher, and we'll probably see that, is some type of double bottom, right? We see the first one that occurred on June 10th. I'm looking for another one to occur as part of the bottoming out process. So maybe what we'll see is something like this. Now, price can go lower, and that would be fine. But this is all part of the bottoming process. So what do you think? Two things. Let's zoom out to the weekly chart. Question becomes, how low will Cardano go? And then the next question, I'm not even going to ask if you think it could hit $5 this year. Really, what is your 2023 target for Cardano? I'll give you mine. We have about 7 months left before the end of the year. If I extract back 7 months, we're looking at December time frame. So I'm going to say 45 cents as a year-end target, which will be right there. All right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.